In this video, I'll show you how to turn off SOS mode on your iPhone. So if your phone goes into SOS mode, some of the important features like cellular data will be disabled. So obviously it's quite important that we get this fixed. So there's essentially three different methods you can use to fix this. The first is by heading over to the settings app on your phone, and you just want to turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Once 10 seconds have passed, you can then turn off airplane mode and you can check if that has now solved the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is scroll down to mobile service and click on this. And right at the top where it says mobile data, you're also going to turn this off for 10 seconds. And once 10 seconds have passed, we can then re-enable it. Once again, check to see if that now fixes the issue. Otherwise, come back over to the main settings menu, scroll down to general and click on this. Scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, select reset at the bottom, and then press reset network settings. So you'll need to enter your phone passcode to continue, and what this will do is reset all of your network settings on your phone, like your Wi-Fi's and things like that. It won't erase any personal data, so all of that will stay intact. And once you've reset your network settings, that should have now solved the SOS mode. If you have tried all three of these steps and that doesn't fix it for you, it could be time to replace your SIM card. You can either just order one directly from your network provider. You could potentially try taking out the SIM card as well and giving it a clean. Sometimes dust and debris build up inside of the SIM card slot, and that can also cause this SOS mode. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.